Hey everybody. In the past you've seen some of my videos with this keyboard. I wanted to go into a little more detail about it. So this is the Neo2 keyboard, which is used for a lot of distraction-free writing. It was originally used for the education environment, but now it's being used by a lot of writers. And what it is just a keyboard with a 700-hour power supply, basically 3 batteries, and it's not connected to the internet or anything like that. You go out and type, get your stuff done without a lot of distractions, and then when you're ready you connect this to a USB cable and transfer the contents directly to the computer, and that's performed in a way that's kind of bizarre but very interesting, and that is it just types in whatever application that you are using. So far that's pretty nice. Well, recently I went ahead and purchased this receiver over here, the Renaissance Receiver, which is a Wi-Fi unit that actually allows this keyboard to connect to a computer in a wireless manner. So this is nice because you can transfer files to your computer, and if the computer has a Dropbox or a Google Documents account, it will synchronize across the internet, which is nice for backing up files. So in here we have a markdown file of an antenna project that I've been working on, and I just quickly wrote up and created a table, and that's it. So I mean, it's pretty neat, but I want to transfer this file to my computer, but I don't want to use my keyboard to do that, through the USB cord. So what I have is if you connect using this command and hit send, it'll bring up the window, it'll search for the connection, select OK, and then it communicates. So it's connecting to Neo2 or Google Documents. Now in the past this was able to be connected to Google Documents, but the company has since rescinded that API call. So the only thing that works is the Neo2, which is running as a service on this computer over here on that side right there. This is my Dropbox, and over here these are the files that basically this thing is hosting files. So over here I have some files that can be picked up, and over here these are files that are saved. So they'll show up in this box over here, which is connected to Dropbox. Okay, so what I'll do is save it to Neo2. I'm connecting, and I'm going to give it a name. Okay, and I'll select OK. It's communicating and copying. So over on the screen, now we have a file showing up there, and over here I have the file that I transferred. So if I open this up, you'll see the contents that we had earlier. So that's pretty neat. Over here is a printed version. When you print directly out of the keyboard, it prints, like a typewriter basically, almost. I mean, the font looks very similar to it. So if you hit the print button while you're connected to the Renaissance Receiver, this will go to that computer that I had up on the screen earlier, but it'll go to the default printer. So in that case it was a laser printer, so it just automatically printed this up. So for anybody who's curious, this is a table of frequencies and lengths for a dipole. So I'm creating a dipole antenna, and that's a different project. But anyways, I just wanted you to see that. It's really cool. If you can get your hands on one of these Renaissance receivers, I highly recommend it. It's makes your life a little bit easier. Alright, thanks for watching.